When erecting the cantilever system, you're going to build the trees on the ground. So you're going to take your column, add your base, your arm levels, and get those completed for each column, base, arm assembly. Then you'll use 2 forklifts to start the first set bay and stand them up and install the X brace in the middle. If you're adding units on from there, say attaching one unit to the next, you will just need 1 forklift to stand it and then have personnel to install the X brace. It's much easier to do it on the ground and only install the X brace than doing it in the air. One other note is when installing the X brace, always install your 2 center horizontals first, not the ones on the bottom or the top, just for stability.